This is the Honeywell RTH111B digital non-programmable thermostat. It is soft touch keys that you can press up or down to reach your desired temperature. It works in both Fahrenheit and Celsius. And in the case of a power outage, it will remember the last temperature that you set it to, which is super convenient. This is good for both heating and cooling, and you can have the fan on an automatic mode or you can have it on. I really like the digital display. I haven't had any problems or issues with this Honeywell thermostat. This is a product that I highly recommend to others. It's relatively easy to install. And it's just overall a great product from Honeywell to have in your home.